Funny men. Farley used to find John Belushi's pants around the SNL set, wear them, sometimes 2 pairs, and become Belushi. Like he was conducting the laughter, like the empty audience seats trembled for him. Skin cells long dead, caught inside seams, white powdered pretend at the hemline. Did he find the pants neatly folded and pressed in the back of a costume room? Or were they crumpled and dank in some unoccupied corner with a faded star on the door? Stale lines still displayed on molding mirrors. Broken needles in unemptied trash bins. Farley used to put on those pants, or take off his shirt, put on a tie, live in a van down by the river. Check into rehab, make them laugh, check into rehab, overdose, and finally shake hands with Belushi. Sit around smoking and drinking coffee, tell stories of the funny days, and wait for Phil Hartman.